BJP MPs have also submitted a notice for the breach of parliamentary privilege, citing ethics and propriety concerns over Sonia Gandhi's alleged use of derogatory and slanderous words against the President of India. They have accused Sonia Gandhi of attempting to undermine the dignity of the nation's highest office. The notice has been addressed to the Rajya Sabha chairman. So, stormy session expected in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha.
मुझे तो आज मन है कि मैं उन्हें राहुल जिनपिंग ही कहूं। 34 बार 34 टाइम्स चाइना 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 34 बार चाइना का नाम लिया है राहुल जिनपिंग ने। मुझे तो लगता है कभी कभी वो जो टीवी सीरियल चलता था अगले जन्म मोहे, तो राहुल गांधी तो अपने मन में कहते ही होंगे कि अगले जन्म मोहे चाइनीज ही कीजो।
मुझे लगा कि ऐसा ही भाषण होना चाहिए नेता का कि एक विजन बताए, देश के लिए विजन क्या है, आगे की सोच क्या है, और इस जो तू मैं चलती रहती है इससे ऊपर उठकर देश के लिए बोले, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनका भाषण।
My colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what this could mean for the MP Sonia Gandhi. What is the trouble that is going to haunt her with this notice being issued against her? Amita, what are the details?
As far as when we are getting the details of what Sonia Gandhi had said, there is a notice that has now been issued. Of course, those are the details that we are talking about. But as far as what's going to happen in Parliament today, we are going to talk more on that. As far as the adjournment motions that have now been issued, because today is the day, another one that now we are expecting that the Parliament session would be a stormy one. And this is from Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh. But we'll come back to that, Pratibha, as far as we play out more reactions coming in.
Okay, all right. Reactions coming in on what's expected. Like we mentioned, stormy session in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha expected. So, a privilege notice has been moved against Sonia Gandhi, saying that the dignity of the president's office has been undermined by Sonia Gandhi for her remarks. So, a notice has been issued in this regard after the president was addressed as a poor lady by Sonia Gandhi. Now, a notice has been issued, which also means that the Congress party is also going to respond. Remember, yesterday as well, in the Lok Sabha, we saw a stormy session, and today in the Lok Sabha, the Prime Minister is expected to speak.